Well, it's Sunday, May the 3rd. It's Blue Switch weekend, and we need to get a cache today. So, Blue Switch refers to the start of geocaching when the government turned off selective availability, making GPSs more accurate. And then somebody went out and hit the first geocache, and we got billions, millions later. So, gonna stop and grab a quick cache here and get our souvenir. All right, so looks like it's probably in this tree right here. So hopefully it's a quick find. Okay, I think I spotted in there. Little blue lid. Okay. Hard getting in here. Got poked in the head with a stick. All right, all signed in.